What's up everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the Nvidia error code 43. Windows has stopped this device, which is happening for many of the users, and how we can fix this. So the first one, just go over here, search for the device manager, and you have to click on this one. And right now we need to go over here to the display adapters and select the respective graphics card of yours. So in my case it is Nvidia GeForce GTX 1650 Super, and right click on this one, go for update driver, go for the search automatically for drivers, and make sure the graphics card is up to date, and that's what you have to try as the first and foremost step. Once afterwards, if the Nvidia is not out there, which means afterwards you have to try is, if you don't have the Nvidia app, we need to download it. So if you're already having the Nvidia app and you're having the trouble with the error code 43, what we need to do is just go over here, search for add or remove programs, and quickly just get over here and search for the Nvidia at the top. So if you're having the trouble with the Nvidia app, just go over here, three-dot menu, go for uninstall, and after the uninstalling is successfully done, we just need to close this and go back to the Google Chrome. Now search here for the Nvidia app. So right now the Nvidia app is same as the Nvidia GeForce, both are same at the time, they're not different. So once you download the Nvidia app, once afterwards you have to try installing it back. After uninstall, try installing back the Nvidia app. That even help with few users as well. Next one is all about just get into the Nvidia. Over here you have to open the Nvidia, and right now get into the drivers. And right now we have two options. One is for the game ready driver, which is for the best gaming experiences for the users who play tremendous amount of games. For example, with the high graphics quality, if the quality is needed, and for those users we have game ready driver. And the studio driver is the people who use regularly. For example, if you're using any kind of Adobe and all those things for editing purpose and normal purpose and all those things. So if you're on the game ready driver, select the game ready driver and go for reinstall. And if you're on the studio driver, just select the studio ready driver and go for the reinstall. So make sure you have to install back the graphics card, and that's what you have to try in all the way. So once afterwards, most probably the issue regarding this will be completely fixed, and this is what you have to do. And I hope this video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for these kind of videos. That's it. Bye bye.